Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're featuring the new Silver Cross Wave 2021 stroller. This version has a few more updates than the previous one. Straight out of the box, you're going to get the platinum stroller frame, a bassinet, a seat with a bamboo seat liner, 2 canopies, 2 aprons, 2 belly bars, 2 fitted rain covers, 2 mosquito nets, a cup holder, and adapters for if you want to attach a second tandem seat. We carry it in 3 different fabric colors, indigo, zinc, and charcoal, which is what you see here. You can also get it in the Eclipse collection, which comes with black 3D printed fabrics and rose gold lining. Here are some notable features about the Wave 2021. It has an ultra-light magnesium alloy frame, which is one of the reasons that the 2021 Wave is 4.4 pounds lighter overall than the original Wave. It has a handlebar made of high-quality brown leather. The Wave has an extendable sun canopy with a peekaboo window. Its cup holder can be placed on either the right or the left side. Overall, it has all new fabrics and polished branding points. The storage basket on the bottom has a hard bottom to protect your items from the elements and has a weight capacity of 33 pounds. The wheels are puncture-proof and have all-wheel suspension. The updated wheel design has deeper tire tread for more traction. The adapter that holds your bassinet or seat is able to change height positions, bringing baby closer to you if needed. Now we'll go over some features of the bassinet. The bassinet can hold a newborn until they're about 6 months old, and it's approved for overnight sleeping. The updated bassinet apron attaches with a zipper instead of Velcro like the original Wave. Now we're going to highlight the features of the seat. The seat can hold a child that weighs up to 55 pounds. The seat liner is now made of bamboo fabric instead of jersey knit, and its adjustable recline positions include a full lie-flat position. The seat also has adjustable calf support for your child, and because this stroller is modular, you can face it forward or backward. The Wave 2021 converts to a double stroller for if you have a newborn and a toddler with no additional purchases needed. In fact, this is a modular stroller that has 30 possible modes, so it's great whether you have twins or children of different ages. If you purchase a second tandem seat to attach to the Wave 2021, it now holds up to 55 pounds, which is 10 pounds more than the original version. The Silver Cross Wave 2021 also has available adapters to attach to any Nuna, Maxi-Cosi, Kleck, or Cybex car seat. To fold the Silver Cross Wave 2021, start by locking the wheels with your foot. Pull up on the handlebar triggers and lower the stroller forward until it automatically locks. To unfold it, undo the side lock on the frame and pull up on the handlebar. To keep steady, you can step on the rear axle if necessary. The Silver Cross Wave 2021 has some great updates that elevate it above the original Wave. It's so elegant and we love it. Thanks for watching. You can shop this product or any other product you see on babycubby.com. We offer free shipping on orders of $25 or more. To learn about the Silver Cross Coast, you can look at this video. Like and subscribe and let us know what you want to see next time.